What if Jupiter ignited into a second sun? What if one day Jupiter suddenly ignited and became a second sun? Would Earth get brighter and warmer, or would this spell disaster for our planet? And could this really happen? Let's explore this terrifying yet fascinating scenario. Jupiter is often called a failed star because it's made mostly of hydrogen and helium, just like the Sun. But there's one big difference. Jupiter isn't massive enough to ignite nuclear fusion. For Jupiter to become a star, it would need to be at least 75 times more massive. That's almost as big as a small red dwarf star. But let's say somehow Jupiter did ignite. What would happen next? The moment Jupiter ignites, the solar system changes forever. Jupiter would shine thousands of times brighter than it does now, though it wouldn't be as bright as the Sun. Its gravity wouldn't change, but its radiation would increase. The four largest moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, would be exposed to intense heat. The asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter would heat up, potentially sending more asteroids towards the inner planets. But what about Earth? With a second sun in our solar system, life on Earth would never be the same. Nights would never be completely dark again. We'd have a dim red glow from Jupiter in the sky. Temperatures could rise slightly depending on how much extra heat reaches Earth. Weather patterns could shift, with more extreme storms due to extra energy in the atmosphere. Space missions would be harder. Solar panels and spacecraft would have to handle extra radiation, but the real danger might come from Jupiter's moons. Jupiter's four major moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, would experience drastic changes. Io, already the most volcanic body in the solar system, would erupt even more violently. Europa's icy shell might melt, turning it into a global ocean world, potentially revealing alien life. Ganymede and Callisto could see their frozen surfaces warm up, changing their atmospheres. Could Jupiter's ignition make some of its moons habitable? That's a real possibility. Over millions of years, a two-sun system might reshape the entire solar system. Some planets might drift out of their orbits due to changes in gravitational balance. The Kuiper Belt and Oort cloud, where comets come from, could be disturbed, increasing the number of incoming comets. The Sun and Jupiter might enter a binary star system, altering future planetary formation. Would humanity survive and adapt? Or would this be the beginning of a cosmic catastrophe? So, what if Jupiter ignited into a second sun? Nights on Earth would never be the same. Jupiter's moons could change, possibly even becoming habitable. Earth's climate and space travel would face new challenges. The entire solar system might be reshaped. Would this be a new era for humanity or the beginning of the end? Tell us what you think in the comments. For more videos like this, visit and subscribe to Knowledge Hub.